Okay, so this is a Logitech camera that stopped working after I opened it. I just found a very simple thing. This connector was a little outside, so I just push it back, and now it seems like my computer recognizes it without a problem. Let's again here see if it is okay, or still I have a bad contact. So I'm not sure yet. Because I don't hear the USB sound now. Let's see if this is working. Yes, the camera, you can see by the LED that it is working, and it was just a bad contact. So just after pushing back this little connector to its place, it is working. What I want to show you is something about putting everything back. So what actually you need to do is take this part, put it in the plastic like this. Yes, I think it was on this side. I'm not sure. Maybe like this. I will see by the cover. Yes, like this. This is the correct size. Now, how do I know it? Because this is the side of the other part. It should be closed like this, and the microphone on this side. So I will now disconnect it. And now there are two screws on this side. One is beneath the microphone. I want to show you because I did break some plastics that I shouldn't take off. So you have two screws to catch the PCB to the plastic. By the way, this camera is called, I think, C615. Now you have the microphone, and the microphone should be attached to this plastic here. There is a hole to connect it to. So what I should do is put the rubber on the plastic and then close it, because otherwise the mic will not be in its correct place. Now you can plug everything back. There are 4 screws on this side. Just put them back, and there are 2 plastic that was stick with the glue. There is a tape glue here. And the plastic that I broke and I shouldn't is this part on the side, because I thought that I should open it from the side. This is wrong. Basically, I'm not sure that I will try to put it back. We'll see in a second if I have any problem. It of course it's less nice, but what can I do? I did break it. Okay, and now you have these two plastic that are stick to this place like this. And now let's see if I will put it back. Ha! Can try to glue it maybe with this, not a super glue, but maybe hot glue. And by the way, I should put it before I close the screw, and then maybe let's do it. It will be prettier. So just open these two screws on the side, push it a little, and then pull it back. If I will succeed, I don't want to open it again. No need. Yes, it's okay. You see, even I don't need to glue it. It will be okay like this without any glue. Although it is broke, doesn't matter. And there you go, that's all. Let's see if this still works. If I will have the blue LED. Yes, do you see it? Okay, so everything now works nicely. That's all for now, folks. Thank you and bye.